Hi Sagittarius, welcome to Soul Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. If you wish to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to enroll for our 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to donate, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to order energizing activated anklets and bracelets, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so what I'm going to do a different kind of reading today. Okay, so yeah, this is for the month of December 2020. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, so let's messages for Sagittarius in the month of December. Okay, lack of understanding, something you are not understanding, lack of understanding is there. Okay, you are not okay, 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 so you are, lack of understanding is there related to something or someone. A lot of receptivity. If you were receptive in the past, that's good. If you were not, then you have to be acceptable related to a particular situation into your life. Okay, yes, something is slowing down. Like you think a lot of delays and postpones are happening into your work related thing or relationship thing. Anything can be, but yeah, it's a situationship, so it might be related to either career or relationship. Lot of delays are there. Lot of slow energy is there, like nothing is moving forward. Okay, so that's why it gives you a lot of disappointments also at the same time. Okay, so yes, you are understanding a lot of fact about spirituality, about your third eye chakra, about the creator of life. You're analyzing and realizations are a lot happening. Okay, so you are thinking, sometimes you get a lot of weird dreams nowadays. Sometimes if you're getting a lot of weird dreams, then you too should understand, because a lot of weird dreams are on the horizon, and that will give you a lot of understanding about your life. Okay, lot of creativity is on the horizon. Creativity when it comes to exploring yourself, trusting your intuition level, starting something new in life. Okay, so yes, you are at the same time being courageous enough, and you wish to explore, and you wish to travel somewhere. If you wish to relocate, you wish to go somewhere out, near the nature. You want to spend, you should to spend time near the nature. That what I feel. But at the same time, if you start exploring your creativity, it will give you a lot of satisfaction, guys. Okay, so yes, you're not trusting your inner voice. Okay, so like sometimes people say like this. Okay, but at the same time your intuition tells you something else. Okay, so you are not trusting. Sometimes you juggle between two options, two decisions, two directions, two choices. Okay, so my advice to you is that you need to start trusting your inner voice, which you don't do usually. If you are not doing it, you should do it. Okay, so yeah, messages for December. Okay, so some of you are dealing with a third party situation as well. Lot of issues, interference, problems, and that's why it's creating chaos into your life. So yeah, that's awesome. Okay, let me check it out with the main tarot. Kindly comment down below, guys, for how many people out there this situation is resonating for you. So I would like to check. Okay. Okay. So there's a spiritual awakening happening. Third eye chakra is opening for you. Okay. Okay. Beautiful. Not beautiful. Okay. Okay. I'm just trying to arrange it so that you'll be able to see. Because if I show my face, then you won't be able to see my readings, right? So yeah, that's why I tried to make everything possible. Okay. Okay. So guys, there's a spiritual awakening happening. Okay, your third eye chakra is opening. Realizations about your life is happening. Okay, so guys, a lot of people are going through some major spiritual awakening. Okay, I think their karmic has been over. Okay, so guys, if you were concerned about your money related stuff, now you are releasing it. Your intuition level is very, there's a lack of intuition level. Okay, a lot of healing has been, healing has been blocked. Like, if you are moving on with something or you're healing from something, okay, if you are not trusting your intuition level, Sagittarius, then there is a lack of healing. Like, healing has been blocked, so you should not do that. You should always trust your inner voice, your intuition level, because that will guide you right in the month of December. And with that, if that happens, then healing won't be blocked. Okay, so yes, if there was money which was stuck in the month of December, few of the money will be recovered for sure. Okay, and there's a stagnancy of leaving the past behind. Like, you want to energetically, you feel that you want to leave the past behind and you want to move forward. Okay, you want to shift, you want to relocate, you want to travel, anything it can be, but that has been blocked by the universe right now. Okay, so if you are thinking and planning to shift, relocate to a new house, or going traveling, exploring, so that has been blocked right now. And that's why, a lot of if you were waiting for so long in the month of December, Sagittarius, you won't be waiting. Like, you will be taking an action towards it. That, you will be taking an action of that now is the time to leave the past behind and to move forward. I cannot wait for so long. It will be like that in the month of December. Okay, so if you were waiting for so long that things should be better, that won't be happening. It's like that. Okay, one more thing, guys. Waiting game is going on when it comes to leaving the past behind and moving forward. And I'm telling you that in the December month, you will be like, you need to leave the past behind. You are just waiting for one right opportunity to leave the past behind and to take an action and to shift and to relocate and to move forward in life. Okay, towards your long-term commitment. But at the same time, I feel that energy is being blocked by the universe. That is what I feel, because in reverse shows a lack of lack of opportunity which has been blocked. Whatever you want to do, that has been blocked by the universe. That means universe is not telling you to move forward. Like, universe is creating chaos into your life, and creating a blockages into your life from moving you forward. Like, if you wish to move forward, universe is creating problems into your life that you won't be able to move forward right now, because there is a divine timing. That divine timing is not yet there in the month of December. December is the not the month where you should take an action. Okay, so that's the problem, that's the blockage from the universe. Okay, a lot of stagnancy is there when it comes to taking an action and moving towards victory, moving towards success. lot of, you are waiting for a lot of abundance, okay, and but abundance is not there because there is a blockage from the universe side, okay. So I think, you know, there's financial problems are going on, or else relationship problem is going on. So both are going on with you parallelly, okay. So if you wish, if you think that why it's not happening, there's a blockage from the universe, my darlings, okay. You need to understand that, you know, if you want to take an action and want to move forward, that time is not there in the month of December. That's the blockage, that's the most important problem in the month of December. Yes, you just want to move away from fights, problems, arguments, because that creates a lot of disappointments into your life. Yes, in the month of December you wish to, energetically you are wishing, but you are not taking any action in the month of December. You have sometimes feel very emotional when it comes to financial, you know, uh, financial issues, okay. Yeah. Okay, so you are no more holding back from money related stuff. Like if you were holding back that, you know, you need to take a new job, new business, you need to do something with for your finances, now you are no more going to hold back. Now you are going to take an action towards working out, like, you know, going to work, starting a new work, something related to business, that you need to start something from scratch, right? If you think that when your financial problems will get over, it won't be over until unless, I think, you know, you are dealing with some issues right now. 100% universal blockages there, trust me. When it comes to your financial life, your personal life, universal blockages are there. New beginnings are blocked right now. New beginnings are on the horizon, but it's not coming towards you. It's making a U-turn and going, okay. And you have a lot of concerns about your money related stuff, about your financial freedom. That's the problem, okay. So yeah, new opportunities are on the horizon, that's the thing. Oh my god, guys, that's, new opportunities are on the horizon. So guys, but I would just suggest you, this is not happening from your side, okay. These blockages are not from your side, this is happening from the universe side. So a lot of blockages into financial life is there. Opportunities are being blocked, and abundance is not coming. You want to take an action towards something or someone, but not happening. So a lot of blockages are there into either your personal life or your professional life. Also, you know, if there was fights going on, you are moving away from lots of fights and disappointments. So yeah, oh my god, very weird energies I can see in the tarot reading. Sagittarius, what you are going through, kindly comment down below and tell me, because this looks very weird energies, okay. Like very a lot of blockages, that what I feel. And blockages are not at all good, okay. That means you're dealing with karmic issues, you're dealing with karmic relationships, and a lot of blockages when it comes to your karmic life. So yeah, that's why this is happening. So yeah, oh my god, okay. Yeah, wish has been blocked right now. Whatever hopes, believe, if you were hoping, believing about something, the magician is in reverse. That means a wish has been blocked. Wish fulfillment has been blocked right now from the universe side. Oh my god, guys, what you are going through. December will be the month of tough times for you. Oh my god, everything, a lot of blockages are there from your universal side, not my side, not your side, but it's from the universal energies. These are the universal energies. A lot of opportunities have been blocked, okay. So I feel bad about it, but at the same time, guys, you need to trust those energies, because this, whatever energies you have, it shows that only. So don't worry about it. So yeah, universal blockages are there into your life. Okay, so guys, this is a very weird energy. Okay, so kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Basol Tarot Prediction. If you like my readings, kindly comment down below. Also, one more thing, if you wish to enroll for our 1 days 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop. The details are given in the description box below. And if you wish to enroll like for one-on-one reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. Okay guys, bye bye, take care.